Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to find the largest of two numbers. Just to let you know, I would like to give you an example to illustrate this concept. Now I'm having two variables, a and b. So both of them are of integer data types. And a equals 10 and b equals 20. Okay, so we initialized these two variables, a and b. Now I would like to know and find out which one is the largest number. Obviously we know it, b is 20, so b is the largest number. However, I would like the compiler to decide this for me. In order to do that, we need to have an if condition there. Here, first of all, I write down the if condition. So if word is written there, and then the condition is inside the parentheses. We say if a is larger than b, print this part of the code. Let's say execute this part of the code, which is going to print a is larger. Else if a is less than b, okay, a is less than b. If this part is true, print b is larger, as you see here. And if neither of these two conditions is true, simply go to the else part and print this part. Both are equal. So now that a is 10 and b is 20, so 10, is it larger? Is it greater than 20? No. Therefore, this part of the code is not executed. Then we go to the else if part. 10 is less than 20. Yes, this is true. Therefore, this part of the code is executed, which is going to print b is larger. So we see that when I run the code, b is larger is shown here in the output. Now, what if I modify the number 10? So now a equals 30. So with this modification, if we check 30, is it larger than 20? Is it greater than 20? Yes, this statement is true. Therefore, only this part of the code is executed, which is going to print a is larger. So when I run the code, we see here a is larger is shown in the output. And these two other conditions are not even checked because the compiler found the condition that was true, because only one of these conditions can be executed at a time. So now if I modify a again and I put number 20, so 20, is it greater than 20? No. Then it goes to the else if part. 20, is it lower than 20? Is it less than 20? No. And then it goes to the else part, which is going to print both are equal. So when I run the code now, we see both are equal message is shown in the output. Basically, this is how we can find the largest of two numbers. Thank you for watching.